Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to discuss about tools and equipment. So our objectives are, by the end of this lesson you should be able to define tools and equipment, and also you should be able to describe different classification of tools. So we're going to start by defining what a tool is and what an equipment is. So tools and equipment are items used for various purposes in order to complete a specific task or project. Tools are usually handheld devices or instruments designed for a specific purpose, such as hammers, saws, wrenches, and drills. And an equipment, on the other hand, refers to a larger, more complex machinery or device used to perform a particular function or task, such as computers, printers, bulldozers, or machinery or manufacturing machines. Both tools and equipment play an essential role in various fields, including construction, manufacturing, manufacturing, agriculture, medicine, and many others. So we've seen that a tool is a handheld device, while an equipment is a more complex machinery or device. So we're going to look at the classification of tools. The first classification is hand tools and power tools. So hand tools are tools that are powered manually, such as hammers and pliers, while power tools are tools that are powered by electricity or other sources of energy, such as drills, saws. So a hand tool, you don't require any electricity, but power tools, you require electricity. We have a picture showing the hand tools. We have the mallets, pliers, spanners, screwdriver, hammers, files. So another classification is the cutting tools and non-cutting tools. Cutting tools are tools used to cut or shape materials, such as saws, knives, and scissors. Cutting tools inatumika kukata. And non-cutting tools are tools used for purposes other than cutting, such as hammers and screwdrivers. You cannot use a hammer for cutting. We have a drawing showing the cutting tools. We have the handsaw and backsaw. So I have a question. What's the difference between a handsaw and a backsaw? Any trial? Anyone to try the difference between a handsaw and a backsaw? Who can try? No one.
Also are used for carpentry works like hand cutting, like carpentry, timber cutting. I only know about hand.
So that's a good trial. When you have free time, you go and look at the difference between a hacksaw and a backsaw. Another classification of tools, we have portable tools and stationary tools. So portable tools, from the word portable, inamaanisha ni kitu unaweza beba from one place to another. These are tools that can be easily moved from one location to another, such as drills and so. While stationary tools are tools that are fixed in one location, such as milling machines. So stationary tools huwezi toa kwenye ziko tu hapo. Those are the classifications that we've looked at. So we'll go to the tool maintenance. Tool maintenance refers to the process of keeping tools in good condition to ensure they are safe, efficient, and effective in their intended use. Tool maintenance ni maintain tools. Proper tool maintenance can help extend the life of the tool and prevent accidents or injuries. So examples of tool maintenance, we have cleaning. After use, tools should be cleaned of any debris, rust or dirt. This can be done with a dry cloth or wire brush or a cleaning solution. So after every practicals, we should clean our tools before storing them. Another example of tool maintenance, we have lubrication. Some tools require lubrication to work properly. You apply oil or grease to moving parts to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Another type of tool maintenance, we have sharpening. Tools such as saws, knives, and chisels should be sharpened regularly to maintain their effectiveness. So in sharpening, we'll use a file to sharpen those tools. A dull tool can cause accidents or make work more difficult. So another example of tool maintenance, we have storage. Tools should be stored in a dry place to avoid rusting and damage. So we should avoid also storing tools in direct sunlight or damp areas. When we store our tools in damp areas, zitarust haraka. The last tip of tool maintenance, we have inspection. So we should regularly inspect tools for any signs of damage, wear, or defects. And we should also replace any damaged or worn out parts immediately. So when you see your tools hazina parts zingine, you should replace them. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your tools remain in good condition and are ready for use when you need them. So that is the end of our lesson. We've talked about tools and equipment. Tools, these are small devices, while the equipment ni machineries, ni vitu kubwa. Then we've talked about the classification of tools. We've seen the hand tools and power tools. We've talked about the cutting tools and non-cutting tools. And also we've talked about the portable tools and stationary tools. And also we've looked at the examples of tool maintenance. Any question? Anyone with a question? Since there is no assignment, there is no question, our assignment for today, we look at the measuring tools. You look at the examples and also you sketch them. That's the assignment for today. Thank you for your cooperation. We'll meet again during the next lesson. Bye.